Hello everyone, today we're taking a quick look at the Xiaomi Smart Graphene Heater and whether it's actually worth using at home in 2026. This heater is built for people who want fast, efficient indoor warmth, especially in bedrooms, small living rooms, or work-from-home spaces. Xiaomi promotes this model as using graphene heating technology, which is designed to heat up faster and spread warmth more evenly than traditional electric heaters. And based on real user feedback, this is one of the biggest reasons it's getting so much attention. When it comes to heating performance, most users agree that the heater warms up extremely quickly. In many cases, you can feel the temperature rise within seconds, making it ideal for cold mornings or quick nighttime comfort. The heat is also described as gentle, not overly dry or harsh like older style heaters. One of the standout features here is the precise temperature control. You can adjust the heat level accurately, and once it reaches your preferred setting, it maintains a steady temperature without constantly switching on and off aggressively. That makes it comfortable for long use, especially while sleeping. Since it's a smart heater, you can control everything through the Xiaomi Home app. That includes turning it on or off remotely, adjusting the temperature, and setting schedules. Many users love being able to warm up the room before getting out of bed or arriving home. Safety is another major highlight. The heater includes overheat protection and tip-over shutoff, meaning it automatically turns off if it gets too hot or accidentally falls over, a huge plus for homes with kids, pets, or elderly family members. Design-wise, it has Xiaomi's signature minimalist look. It's modern, lightweight, easy to move between rooms, and runs very quietly since it doesn't rely heavily on loud fans. Of course, there are a few downsides. It works best in small to medium rooms, but may struggle in larger or poorly insulated spaces. And since it's a smart device, it's priced higher than basic heaters. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Graphene Heater is a great choice if you want fast heating, quiet performance, smart controls, and strong safety features. It's not the cheapest option, but for comfort and convenience during winter, it's definitely worth considering.